Humankind cannot gain anything without first giving something in return. To obtain, something of equal value must be lost. That is alchemy's first law of equivalent exchange. In those days, we really believed that to be the world's one and only truth.
Draft. 2025, let's go. Let's see who got picked. Obviously, Cooper Flag, we're going to keep at number one because that boy's nasty. That boy was giving AD work at the USA Select Games. Team USA last summer at the Olympics. So, Cooper Flag, I'd take Cooper Flag number one, 100%. But we'll still watch some highlight videos. We'll back on YouTube. Cooper Flag highlights. I just want a quick video. Maybe open this up. We'll use Notion. Let's make a new thing. Add new empty page. Yay. Top 10. One is Cooper Flag. One is Cooper Flag. But 4 minutes isn't bad.
AP Men's College Basketball Player of the Year is Duke's Cooper Flag.
He's the most advanced freshman in every facet of the game.
He ranks first in all the main stat categories.
He's the best player in the country.
Hey, safe to say I'm the biggest, the largest. Been stepping up since my mama stayed in them apartments. Regardless, my daddy told me keep the heat even when I'm in Florence. I'm heartless, cause these niggas is hating on me just because I'm the biggest, the largest, the biggest, the largest. 30K on my riches for hard times. These niggas just niggas, they in my hard times. Boy, can't back on the 4-5. If you play it, you late right there by your own kind. Pull up a 4 in the loco. Tell them when it's back like so-so. Got the strap here in the chokehold. Did a show out in Austin. Shout out to Bobo. Moved out the trenches, now look how we live. Tell my BM to furnish the crib. Walk out the mall with some shoes for the kids. Deposit the checks from my bank full of M's. Pay them my rent, now I'm up for the year. The view look crazy for me. When I pay for some dogs, gonna buy me.
There's just some players where like, bro, you got everything. This guy is like 6'10". He's got a handle. He can shoot. He's got like 80 touch around the rim. It's fucking insane. But yeah, he's the Mavericks. Oh my god. And he's playing under AD. AD is gonna be his vet. AD, Kyrie, Klay Thompson. His vets are fucking insane. I didn't even think about that. His vets are fucking insane.
On my neck, could have boxed up. Say I'm the biggest, the largest. Been stepping up since my mama stayed in them apartments. Regardless, my daddy told me keep the heat even when I'm in Florence. I'm heartless, cause these niggas is hating on me just because I'm the biggest, the largest, the biggest. I ain't the largest. The California eating the blunt. Let my little brother roll him a Dutch. My little boy get whatever he want. Madam T don't be asking for much. Pouring lean on the nuggets for once. Build a rest of that drink in the punch. Left wrist on some my hate stunt. White rich, I just did it because. 600 the label, you know how we coming. Tell them they ain't taking nothing. Standing on business, we shooting the punch. Hey, nigga, go get you some money. I just got out the turf, finna go on another one. Album done, finna drop me another one. Couple ends, finna run up another one. Super Bowl rich, I had to go do. Safe to say I'm the biggest, the largest. Been stepping up since my mama stayed in them apartments.
Get that out of there!
My daddy told me keep the heat even when I'm in Florence. I'm heartless, cause
He already has great timing. Who's better at timing than AD? I don't know how AD doesn't have a deep boy, because this boy's been leading it like in his prime. He must have been leading the league in blocks like at least 3 or 4 years. I gotta find out. How many times did AD lead the league in blocks? Lead the league times. So 2013, 14, 2014, 15, 2017. Okay, so back-to-back years, and then 2017, 2018, but he's always top 3, top 2. But you give Rudy Gobert. Rudy Gobert. 3? Or 3? You give Rudy Gobert 3 depoys. How many depoys? Does Rudy have? 4. 4 depoys to Rudy Gobert, and AD has 0. And Rudy Gobert's literally, he gets the depoy because he's a great help defender. But he's not always leading the league in blocks, which doesn't make sense. Like last year, Wemby should have got it. Or whichever year that was. The year Wemby was leading the league in blocks. Bro, Wemby's rookie year was ridiculous. People would run away from the fucking rim on a fast break. Okay, we'll go Dylan Harper. We know Cooper Flake's the best. We'll go Dylan Harper. What is Dylan Harper saying? I don't watch college ball, so I have no idea how good this guy is.
We asked Dylan Harper about those nerves today. He said, nah, not on game day. I get nervous the day before a game. His first shot as a Scarlet Knight is a made triple, making some big-time plays early.
Andy Katz, preseason #1 guard in the conference, showcasing.
Wagner's only been
6'5" guard, lefty.
to the line once. Harper another steal. And the finish! Oh, he hung in the air for a long time.
That is tough right there. Using that inside shoulder to create separation. And Dylan Harper inside in.
Talked about the size, too, of those guards. Acuff 6'4" and 210. I mean, every guard they put on the floor, it's just a physically imposing guard when you got smaller guys. Nice find, and Hayes the finish.
The game is just slowed down.
He's super tough, but I'm seeing like not about like he's bad or anything, but San Antonio already has a player like him, Stephon Castle. Him and Castle are the same type of Knicks. Just super under control big guards that can defend. Yeah, he's super tough.
The shot clock here. Harper. Working, looking to dish. He does. A bowl there. Slams it. Gets it to go.
Dylan Harper is tough, but Cooper Flag is better, so we'll keep Cooper Flag at 1. Actually, let me just do all the numbers right now, because this makes it easier. It makes my life easier. 2. Blank. 3. Blank. Oh. Blank. 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 Yeah. Who's next? Dylan Harper is very good. He's a big guard. I've heard this guy's insane. VJ Edgecombe. VJ Edgecombe. VJ Edgecombe. How long is this? A minute.
Blow the roof off this place at Joe Hughes.
What the fuck? Yeah, no, that's a crazy first highlight. There's no reason to do that, bro. There's no reason. It's Run it back, bro. Run it back. Let's slow it down a little bit. But there's absolutely no reason to be assaulting someone like that. There's no reason to be assaulting someone like that, bro. Raiders. Number 6. Look at it. Or 50 or 25. 15. How is that your first highlight? And he went. How is that your first highlight? Where do you go? BJ Edgecombe number. Okay, yeah. That's a good pick for the Sixers because they needed a rangy wing defenders. Because they have Tyrese Maxey, they have a big, they have Embiid. They have Paul George still. So Edgecombe can take, like, I'm assuming he can play defense if he's just bouncy. So he'd take away some of the work that PG has to do on defense.
Originally at Kentucky,
they don't give a
commit
fuck.
Followed Cal to Arkansas.
Give me that.
BJ Edgecombe, Richmond trying.
Yeah.
But Edgecombe.
Yeah.
Look at this play by Edgecombe, though. He takes off outside.
If I'm San Antonio, personally, I'm picking this dude. Because you already have Castle. You don't need another dominant or ball handling guard. Castle's good enough, and you have De'Aaron Fox, so they're obviously gonna trade him. There's no way they keep the last dude. What's his name? Dylan Harper. There's no way to keep him.
Gives it on the baseline, and the shot is swatted away by BJ Edgecombe.
And what an effort by Edgecombe. He was the guy leading the fast. You can see him retreat, come back, full head shape to get it. The ball probably still in the cylinder when he got his hands on it. Sam Houston back in that.
Wow, look at that alley-oop. That was Jaden Nunn to VJ Edgecombe for the flush.
Yeah, so
nobody
this is
knows
a small
he's there.
forward.
Look, every eye is on the ball, and there comes Edgecombe
He's a 3.
along the baseline.
I haven't seen anything crazy about his handle. Every single highlight is him slashing or.
That's a season high for Nunn with 17. Whoa!
He's just a freak athlete.
Oh man, what a follow by BJ Edgecombe.
Nigga's freaky, bruh.
You've got this one against Sam Houston. Hit the front of the
Freaky as
rim.
hell.
He comes up.
Mm.
And ball in play. Up to Roach. The alley-oop, oh my! On the fast break, the alley-oop.
So bad.
To fight for this team in a brawl, one-on-one, it will be.
This week, the most valuable player award goes to Tom Knipple.
MVP.
They had to pick somebody to fight for this team in a brawl, one-on-one, it will be Con Knipple.
Con Knipple fighting off the screen. Game open. Cash hit a 3. A projected lottery pick. So much talk about Cooper Flag. But Con Knipple, rightly so. Con Knipple had a great season. So the Con Knipple launches, and it's a hit. Con Knipple has 43 this season against the Hurricanes.
Great shot. Great fucking shot. Look at that. Tell me why I need just a freeze frame right there. Look at this fucking form, bro. That's cold butter cheese. It's cold butter cheese. You know it's cold butter cheese because look how it's sitting in his hand, bro. That's cash. Get off. AR type of control. And that's not racist.
Flags got it. A 3. Tipped around, and Knipple gets it back. Puts it up, and hits.
He has a better shot. It's like more of a shooter, though.
Knipple for 3.
Went right away. Because AR's like a slashing playmaker. He's like a slashing playmaker with like a maybe 84, 3. But his shots have gotten a lot better. But based off the playoffs this year, that nigga sold, bro. He sold. And I like AR, but he sold. But they're gonna keep him. He's gonna be nice next year. If this dude right here, Con, is going what, number 4?
Been really good. This has been his hand.
That's AR. AR with a better shot. Straight off the start, he has a better shot, but Valentine is smart as fuck. Probably at 4.0. The dude just looks smart. Future coach. 100% future coach. Future coach, but he's gonna be insane in the NBA. This is a JJ Redick type archetype. It's a JJ Redick. Also, extremely high IQ and a great fucking shot. Yeah, those people are hard to guard. And he went to, where did he go? Where did he go? Come on, people. Hornets. Tough. Yeah. I like him more than Dylan Harper. Respectfully. For his team, one. I just feel like Dylan Harper for that team is a horrible pick. It just doesn't make sense. You already have, what's his name? Sam Castle. That's just a horrible pick. I don't know why my numbers went away, but hey, Con Canoodle.
#1 most trusted cheddar cheese brand.
Was exchange up top to Bailey from the inbound.
Smart, really smart, gives up his body element. Bailey. It's the game against Fairfield today on this. Bailey euros and stuffs it.
Plays even bigger than his size, Jim.
Yeah, I agree.
And their second game here with Ace Bailey. What a feat!
Dust here. If they want to have success in conference play. After the rebound in transition, here's Connell off the window. Go to work.
Bro.
After the rebound in transition, here's they want to have success in conference play.
If this dude right here had good teammates, if he had good teammates, they would have let him know that this freak nigga is behind him, bro. That's fucking, that's who, the Sasquatch chasing you, bro. If you don't fucking let me know.
Have success in conference play. After the rebound in transition, here's
No, we gotta run that back. We gotta run that back.
Conference play. After the
This dude right here hates you. There's no reason for him to not to let you know. Or at least spot up, run baseline, spot up, and then call for the ball. And you're hitting that if you're a good shooter. But if you can't shoot, that's tough. If you can't shoot, that's tough.
in transition, here's Connell off the window. Go to work, nobody help him.
Okay, I'm taking this number 2. Imagine this dude on San Antonio.
Since A&M on November 3rd. Hayes, just over a minute to go in this first half. Bailey pulls up. Bailey knocks down.
Yeah, Ace Bailey's number 2.
A little bit of help with doubles.
Simple. It's just that simple. Jazz, great pick. Great pick, Jazz. Great pick for the Jazz. Him and Markkanen. What's it? Yeah, Ace Bailey. Him and Markkanen will be tough. And if they can keep the big dude. Forgot his name. But the Lakers are trying to get him. Walker Kessler. If they can keep Walker Kessler, Ace Bailey, and Markkanen. What's his name? They have a young guard that's nasty. They have a young, I think he's a second year this year, but he's nasty. We'll go, what's up? Jazz. He's like a light-skinned dude. Utah Jazz roster. Yeah, Keontae George. Keontae George is disgusting. And they have Colin Sexton. I can see Colin Sexton leaving though, getting moved. Not because he wants to or anything, but like a trade piece.
Sit on the deck. How about that? Davis on the run out. Bailey, look out, another Euro. And
all the women out there that are really showing out on that side.
Yeah.
Making that move to the hoop.
That's number 2.
Backdoor cuts late in the shot.
That's number 2. I don't need to watch anymore. Okay, how many were in? 1, 2, 5 picks in. Trey Johnson to the Wizards. Yeah, Trey Johnson. What am I doing? Trey Johnson.
Scrubbing bubbles and
impressive so far tonight. Johnson. Oh, no! With the bounce, are you kidding?
Remember, we were here last year. Baylor was in here. Remember the job he did on Jacoby Walter? And now a steal and a jam for Trey Johnson.
Performances early. The spin from Johnson.
Disgusting.
And finishes strong.
Oh, my.
Disgusting.
Now on the switch.
Zurich felt giving them
Off the contact.
Performances early. The spin from giving them
insane balance.
Performances early. The spin
Feels
from
some spins, dribbles.
And finishes strong.
Oh, my.
That's fucking tough.
Now on the switch.
Very tough.
Isolation. Johnson wants it. Johnson crossover. Johnson driving, hanging and hitting it off the glass and in.
Here's Trey Johnson working on Pettiford. Tries to shoot over and got it.
He gets the swat. 6'11" freshman from here in Austin. Leads to the Trey Johnson 3. Yes! He's at 28.
Misses the 3, tipped around, and another possession for Texas. Johnson, great find. What a feed to Kaluma.
Shot making, three-point shooting, fast breaks. We can sell those. Both teams trying to become better rebounding programs. Trey Johnson didn't.
Yeah, I can put him safely at 6. He's good, but raw. Like I'm not a hooper where I can say that, but like just based off his like like the shots he's making, the type of shots he's taking, and him being on the Wizards. No, we'll see. Because was Jalen Green better than him at this point? When Jalen Green was playing in the G League? And Jalen Green was how high? I forgot how high Jalen Green got drafted. But he's not. He wasn't better than rookie Jalen Green. Oh, Jalen Green. Number 10. Yeah, this dude is not better than Jalen Green. This dude is not better than Jalen Green. So, yeah, I can safely put him at 6. Trey Johnson. Trey Johnson. Jeremiah Fears.
Points and 9 rebounds, 8 assists.
I'm liking this ability. Like, this dude plays like he's under control. He's not like bouncing around. The last dude, like, he's taking freaky ass shots, fading, kind of just like he's taking heaters and hitting heaters. like right away, it's crazy, but like it usually doesn't last like that because they're a lot better than the competition they're playing in college. So like you're way better than these dudes because they all got ranked the same year as you. But now you're gonna go into the league and you're playing like way bigger players, way bigger defenders, and you're getting bounced around in college. But this dude's more stable, so I put this guy ahead of Trey Johnson. Yeah, he's tough, and he's a good passer. He's got a point guard. Well, he's probably a point guard. Yeah. This dude's like solid. Yeah, that's solid. That can translate. That translates. This is how I imagine, what's his name? Jalen Hurts would be hooping if he was in the NBA. Just like the poise. But, yeah, just the poise. And like the decision making. Just the way he slowed down. This, you're already off balance. Look how low the angle of the knee is right now. To bring yourself back up, pretty much off one leg. Well, you're pushing off a little bit, but like you're almost doing the splits. So like you're like this foot's pretty much rolling at that point. So most of it is going to come from your back leg. Pauses. Bro. Disgusting. Cash. No. Oh, look at the flick, dude. Look at the flick. Look how confident the flick is. Give me that. It's a good shot. Easily taking this dude over Trey Johnson. Oh my lord. Yeah, this dude's over Trey Johnson. I'm sorry. I'm sorry, man. This dude is over Trey Johnson. Jeremiah Fears. Jeremiah Fears. I'm trying to watch more. So under control.
To press Brendan with the very good guards, including this guy. Fears attacks.
Here's Fears working on Tanner.
Oh, the no look to Taylor.
Begins on the bench. Bryson Goodine gets the start. That hot shooting three-point special at
10 and White. Fears left alone. Three on the way.
Now they've got to do a better job. Oklahoma shooting the ball well. If they don't turn it over, great pass. Great pass.
On the inside to get that miss. Fears, nifty move, strong.
Do you want a point guard? Do you need a point guard? An elite point guard? This guy's over Dylan Harper. He is. He just is. He just is. He might be over Kevin. He might be over Khan. What's his name? Yeah, Khan. Jeremiah Fears. Yeah, I'm taking Jeremiah Fears over all these guys right now. So I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2 more picks. Igor Demon. Igor Demon. Igor Demon. Okay, 6'9", 190. 10 points a game. 4 rebounds, 5 assists. Let's see how he plays. Let's see how how he plays.
Demon into the lane. Oh!
Yeah, that's disgusting.
Change to both get going collectively. Oh,
The drive to force Alabama to guard. Or you can drip with Sherrill. Here goes Demon. Fouled and one again.
Demon's going to try three.
I'm taking this guy over. Taking these guys over all this guy. This is pretty much Bogdan Bogdanovic. Igor is Bogdan Bogdanovic. On I don't know what team he's on now because he just got traded, but he's Bogdan Bogdanovic from Serbia. The jumper is pure. Super tough. Can dribble.
Demon on the dribble.
Oh my god. That's Euro ball.
Demon.
Yeah, Euro ball.
Attention, but he's a tremendous coach. You're talking about a guy who was winning 26 points a year for the last 4 years. What a move.
Prove they can make shots from the perimeter. These opposing defenses are going to be so... Alabama with 11 made threes already. Demon going to work on a man.
He could get Giannis with that. He could definitely get Giannis with that.
In the East Regional Semifinals, Demon gets all the way to it over. Nell gives it up. Here's Demon, drives, and...
Demon on the drive. Turns, wheels, and deals, and got it. Here is Demon. He's going to pull up the three. Got it. As far as makes.
Exactly.
Demon on the crossover. And the three for him goes. Point. Traore. Demon try another three. And it goes again. Dallin Hall out.
3 points really make you pay.
And now Demon found an avenue and scored.
Yeah, I'm taking Demon over.
One of the players has gotten sick at some point, so
Yeah, I'm taking Denim over Khan. Not Denim over Jeremiah Fears. Oh, I have Jeremiah Fears on here twice. The fuck? Yeah, Fears is up here. This is 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I'm gonna put him over these guys. I just don't like the Dylan Harper fit at all. It just doesn't make sense. It's like something you already have, and yeah, we'll see how he does though. I'm sure he's gonna have a good career and all that. But yeah, I'm putting Igor Denim there. Yeah. Igor David. Igor Denim. BYU. Colin Murray. Boyles.
He's made all season. First one came at Mizzou last week.
Big man.
Pisic off the mark.
First big
Here
man.
comes Jacoby Wright. Now to Murray Boyles, full head of steam, lays it in. It is 10-9.
The degree of difficulty on that one was very high.
Bro, just look how you know he's taking contact, bro. This guy's taking straight contact. Look how he runs.
10-9.
Chest out.
It is 10-9.
Big
Degree
boy.
of difficulty on that one
This
was very
G
high.
Randall. This is Zach
It's a
Randolph.
strong finish.
This
First
is
field goal for the Gamecocks in 5.5 minutes. Wagner lost the
this
handle
is
against
Kenny
Butler.
Lofton, but way taller.
7-foot Butler getting on that perimeter.
Just
Murray
solid.
Boyles.
And a lefty. Just a big body.
Hawks 0 of 8
So
from
he's like a
downtown
forward.
to start.
Because he's I don't think he's that tall.
And they have
Or
been able to
he's
get out this
very tall,
transition.
but I don't think he's 6'7". Yeah, he's a 4.
Either on any of those defensive rebound. That's a lot of credit to South Carolina's defense. Very good stopping the ball and getting back in the paint, protecting the rim.
Bounce pass, Murray Boyles, the reverse.
Tough. Yeah, so I put him down here. He's like a solid 4. Raptors, yeah. That would be like a Raptors kind of pick. They're like team building. They think long term because they don't have the money and nobody's trying to live in Toronto. Way too expensive. Way too crazy. We'll say that. Okay, last pick. Last pick. Six, 7, 8. Oh, I heard about this guy. Because they got this dude and Mark Williams now. Their front court is disgusting. Okay, let's watch this one. What was his name? Kaman Maluak. Kaman Maluak. Kaman Maluak. Kaman Maluak. This idea is with the intro.
Well, you want to see them be able to get the basketball inside. That's
trying.
one of the areas where
Gotta
Cooper Flag
respect
has been special. And we see
he's nasty.
Probably have some replicas around.
He's nasty. The Suns are big as fuck. And they have Bol. Don't forget, they have Bol. Bol. I know Bol. Niggas are hating on Bol. The guy just has to get serious. Or maybe he has like an injury that nobody knows about. But he should be playing way better than he is. 6.8 points. Bro, you're a 20, 25 point per game guy. This guy's just like a big, fundamental, good pick and roll guy. Big body. He doesn't have anything good. But he's a good, like, out defender. If you have if you have Mark Williams, if Mark Williams can play defense.
Well, we lost his father this year, who was a great man.
No, yeah,
great
Mark
player.
Williams can play defense.
I know he blocked a lot of Syracuse shots. That's what he does.
Yeah, no,
He takes it and goes.
Their front court is insane. It's big as fuck.
Good for three. Extended for Mason Gillis getting his first time.
Good defense.
He's a good fundamental big. He's a good fundamental big that can shoot. Mid-range, he's a good pip. He's a putback king. But I'll keep him there. Yeah, come on. I'll walk. Yeah, come on, walk. Sweet. Oh, that's my list. I know if you disagree, but just based off first watch, because I've never seen any of these guys play before, so except Cooper Flag and Maluak, because I watched the March Madness. I didn't watch them during the season or anything. Okay, on to the next shit. I just had that open.